Welcome to SolidCAMProfessor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAMProfessor, and in this session, we'll be showing you the machining of an electrode on a 5-axis machine. With the growing industry today, more and more tool shops are now starting to use 5-axis simultaneous machines in order to do specific parts, which they were not able to do before. Because of this, we at SolidCAM have also made improvements for our 5-axis machine, especially when it comes to machining electrodes. If we take a look at this part that we have on our screen, and this particular part is a cover for a marker that we normally use, this area here is actually pretty long. And to do this with conventional machining will be problematic because we have to use a small end mill, and when using a small end mill, if we keep it stuck out of the holder too long, we will have vibrations on the part itself. So the best way for having this on the machine is having it only sticking out a short distance out of the holder itself. By using 5-axis machining, this is made possible. If we take a look at our operation that we've done over here, you'll see that we have now a specific operation in our 5-axis machining for electrode machining. If we go now to our geometry area, we see that when we go into a specific field, it shows us exactly what we have to be choosing as our surfaces. Our drive surfaces, as shown in the picture over here, and our check surfaces, the surface that we want to make sure that we do not touch at all. In our tool area, we have a 6mm end mill, where in this particular case, the tool is sticking out of the holder a total of only 20mm altogether. In our levels area, we have the control of what plane we want to go up to. And in our toolpath parameters, we have also our tolerance control and our step-down control as well. We go now into our tool axis control. We have complete control of the tool axis, how we want it to actually hit our part itself. Let's take a look at the simulation. This time when we use our simulation, we'll be showing you our machine simulation. The machine simulation, as shown over here, shows you the entire machine together with the part on the machine, and this is important when using 5-axis machining. When using 5-axis machining, we must make sure that nothing hits the table itself as it turns around, and the only way to do this is by full checking options within machine simulation. As you can see now, we have here the entire machine. We'll start our simulation. You'll see that our tool goes down all the way to the part itself until it gets to the exact spot, and then it will start actually working on the part. And as it works on the part, you'll see the table now starts to turn, and we see this in real-time simulation on the machine itself. And if there were any crashes between the holder and the table, or any part and the table, this will be immediately shown over here in the simulation itself, thereby allowing us to make any corrections if necessary. And as you can see, the entire simulation now is being done on this part within machine simulation. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAMProfessor. Take care and have a nice day.